Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hey, so I just wrapped up a fantastic wash day, and today I wanted to do something a little different. Today we're not going to be trying or reviewing some new product. Today I'm going to come through with a very special wash and go combo. So if you haven't been living under a rock, you're definitely familiar with my good friend Sheree Del Sol. She recently did a video where she used 2 gels for a wash and go. So I was inspired by her and our good friend Xavier. You can follow him on Instagram. I'll be sure to leave both of their information in the description box or in the cards. So today I'm going to be doing a wash and go with 2 gels. In Sheree's video, because she said it was too sticky, she paired the Main Choices Pearly Braid Out Glaze with our good girlfriend Wetline Extreme. Today I'm actually going to use the Main Choices Cheers Gelato, which you all know that I love. And I'm going to pair that instead of the braid out glaze with Wetline Extreme. So like I said, I just had a great wash day. So my hair is already shampooed, deep conditioned, and I already have my leave-in applied, and my hair is already finger detangled and sectioned off. I'm going to go directly in and apply the stylers. If you want to check out how I got to this portion of my wash day, be sure to check out my previous video. I do have the Miche Lavish leave-in applied to my hair, and my hair is still pretty damp. I do have my water bottle on standby. I'm going to go in first with the Cheers Gelato. And in case you all don't remember, this is a very loosely textured, sticky kind of consistency. In case you wanted a review of the Cheers Gelato, I do have a couple of videos on this product. I'll be sure to leave in the cards. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Cheers Gelato on top of the leave-in. And I'm going to use probably about that much. And I'm going to really make sure I slather it in and smooth it on the section. And you can already see how it's condensing and clumping my curls on its own. I'm going to add a little bit of water and then apply the Wetline. I'm not going to take a lot of the Wetline. I'm going to use a little bit of the Wetline to smooth and rake through. And it's okay if it's too clumped for right now. I am going to further smooth and shake my hair later, so it's okay if it's like too clumped for right now, which it is. But this is what it's looking like thus far. Nice and juicy. I'm gonna go ahead and finish applying this to the rest of my sections. So I finished applying both of the gels, and I sprayed my hair down with more water and smoothed the product through a little further and then shook to clump everything together. And now I'm going to go ahead and sit under the dryer, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, I am back. I did sit under the dryer for maybe an hour, and then I did stretch my roots a bit with my Silverbird blow dryer. I assumed that the Wetline would give me more of a hold and just kind of lock the definition that I had with the Cheers Gelato in place. However, my hair has absolutely no crunch. It actually kind of feels too soft. It's extremely shiny and defined, and to be honest with you, I was expecting a crunch because of how I layered the gels. Wetline has always given me hold and great definition, but my hair always felt dry. I feel like putting the Wetline over top actually gave me a little more frizz than I liked. You all know from my previous videos using this that this gives my hair great definition, great shine, great moisture, and great hold without the crunch. So I knew layering that under the Wetline would give me a great base of moisture on top of the leave-in that I had. We'll have to see what this does once I step outside. I will say now that it's drier, my hair doesn't feel as sticky. I really like how this combo worked. Will I do it again? Probably not. It's an extra step, but if it lasts a good while, then it's definitely worth it considering that Wetline is $3 for like a gallon of gel. To preserve this at night, I'm just going to do what I always do, which is sleep in my Grace Alea satin lined caps. I'm also going to leave an update either pinned in the comments or in the description box about the lasting power of this wash and go. Are 2 gels necessary for a good wash and go? Absolutely not. Be sure to let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.